Welcome to the Daily Reflection Podcast. Today is January 8th. Do I have a choice? The fact is that most alcoholics, for reasons yet obscure, have lost the power of choice in drink. Our so-called willpower becomes practically non-existent. Alcoholics Anonymous, page 24. My powerlessness over alcohol does not cease when I quit drinking. In sobriety, I still have no choice. I can't drink. The choice I do have is to pick up and use the kit of spiritual tools. Alcoholics Anonymous, page 25. When I do that, my higher power relieves me of my lack of choice and keeps me sober one more day. If I could choose not to pick up a drink today, where then would be my need for AA or a higher power? So what do you think? How does this work for you? Do you feel like you have a choice in the matter? If you do, if you can choose not to drink, then maybe you don't need AA or a higher power. But if you struggle with that, if you make a decision not to drink and you end up drinking anyway, you might want to look at that. And the great thing is that there is a program. There is a solution, as it says in the book. But for me, it meant getting a necessary dose of pain so that I was caused to do some things that weren't comfortable. Talking to another man about my problem, going into a meeting of Alcoholics Anonymous, and learning how others got sober and stay sober on a daily basis. So today I wake up free. I don't worry about decisions not to drink. I rely on something more powerful than my ability to decide. And for me, that's God. I call my higher power God. You can call it whatever you like. If you struggle with that, you don't have to. You can have your own conception of a higher power. And life can get good. Thank you for listening. Thanks for your support. We're going to have more interviews. We're going to have more people in to talk about their experience, strength, and hope. We've been booking quite a number of people, and I'm really excited about how this podcast is taking shape. If you want to reach out to me, you can email me at dailyreflectionpodcast@gmail.com. I'd love to hear from you. I'd also love for you to give us a rating on whatever podcast network you're listening on. There's got to be some way to provide a thumbs up, a 5-star rating, or leave a comment. I would love to get some feedback about what you think about this podcast. Thanks so much for listening, and have a great day.